My name is Chidera Ikewibe. So today I was doing a really fun activity. I was doing a poetry zine. Mark helped put it together, but it was inspired by Deanna Bowen's exhibit at the AWE, currently going on now. Yeah, so Mark actually had seen me perform the poem and then was like, we can put this into a chapbook of sorts. So Mark has completely laid it out. Shout out to Mark. And we're at the Sandwich Visionaries, where we bring in people from the community and they can do little art projects. So today people were illustrating what is going to become the chapbook.
My name is Mark Ngui. Okay, so today, these are examples, these are artworks that were made by the class today at Sandwich Visionaries. And our project today was to illustrate a poem. This poem was written by Windsor's Youth Poet Laureate, Chidera Ikewibe. She read it at an art opening at Art Windsor-Essex, and I thought, wow, that's a great poem. It'd be really amazing to kind of publish it in a chapbook. And then how can I do it with this art program that we do with kids? So my thought was we would illustrate the poem. So that's what we did. Chidera sent me the poem, and I laid it out in desktop publishing. I kind of broke it down into pages, and then we distributed the pages to the class, and then they came up with all of this stuff today. So now I'm going to take all this stuff, I'm going to scan it, and then I'm going to assemble it into the chapbook. So the Chidera's poetry will now be illustrated by these pictures. And all these pictures are kind of thematically appropriate because we got to talk about our ideas and kind of go over them and just sort of work together to produce a series of images that will, I think, make for a really cool chapbook.